Welcome back to our channel, Crypto Explorers. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of Ethereum, one of the most popular cryptocurrencies out there. We'll explore its history, its present value, and take a look at its maximum and minimum values since its inception. And of course, we'll also delve into its current market capitalization. So, let's get started. But before we begin, let's quickly go over what Ethereum actually is. Ethereum is a decentralized, open-source blockchain platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps. It was proposed by Vitalik Buterin in late 2013 and went live on July 30, 2015. Now, let's talk about the history of Ethereum. In 2014, an initial coin offering, ICO, was held to fund the development of Ethereum. The ICO raised around 31,500 Bitcoin, which was equivalent to approximately $18 million at the time. This helped lay the foundation for Ethereum's development. In 2015, Ethereum's mainnet, called Frontier, was launched. This marked the beginning of a new era in blockchain technology, as Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with predefined rules and conditions, eliminating the need for intermediaries in many applications. Fast forward to the present day, Ethereum has become the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Its native cryptocurrency is called Ether, ETH, which serves as the fuel for the Ethereum network. Ether is used to pay for transaction fees and to incentivize network participants. Speaking of value, let's take a look at Ethereum's price performance. Since its inception, Ethereum has experienced significant price fluctuations. In its early years, Ethereum's value was relatively low, but it gained traction and saw a meteoric rise in 2017 during the cryptocurrency boom. At its peak in January 2018, the price of Ether reached an all-time high of around $1,400. However, like many other cryptocurrencies, Ethereum also experienced a significant correction afterward, and its value declined. In late 2018, it reached its lowest point of around $80. Since then, Ethereum has had its fair share of ups and downs. In recent years, it has shown remarkable growth, driven by the increasing adoption of decentralized finance, DeFi, applications and the popularity of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. As of today, Ethereum is trading at around $2,500 per Ether. Now, let's discuss the market capitalization of Ethereum. Market capitalization is a measure of a cryptocurrency's total value and is calculated by multiplying the current price by the total supply of coins. As of now, Ethereum's market capitalization stands at over $280 billion, making it one of the most valuable cryptocurrencies in the market. It's important to note that Ethereum's market cap can fluctuate based on factors such as price movements and the circulating supply of Ether. Market capitalization provides insights into the overall popularity and acceptance of a cryptocurrency within the broader market. In conclusion, Ethereum has come a long way since its inception. It has revolutionized the blockchain industry with its smart contract capabilities and has gained substantial value over the years. With its growing adoption and expanding ecosystem, Ethereum continues to be a prominent player in the world of cryptocurrencies. That's it for today's video, Crypto Explorers. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of Ethereum, its history, its present value, and its market capitalization. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.